Michael Rodriguez here. Channel 5 News. I'm here in Lakewood, Ohio, where there is someone who's holding someone hostage in that building over there. And they have a camera crew. And this is Michael Rodriguez. This is Michael Rodriguez on the spot with Channel 5 News. What's your name, sir? Can I interview you, sir?
Billy.
Billy, what do you think's going on here, Billy?
Standoff.
You have a standoff.
Bay
What's
Village?
going to happen?
I don't know.
Huh. Well, I guess we'll have to wait and find out, huh?
Yeah.
Two guys arguing over who's more nuts than the other. You get it? Who's more nuts than the other in Lakewood? You get it. Charlie Rodriguez, Michael Rodriguez on the spot here, Channel 5 News. Over and out.